Hey everybody, the Art-tastic sisters here. Today we are going to make paper hibiscus flowers. So what we'll be needing is a red paper. We only need this much of it, and waste yellow paper, some green paper, a wire about 7 to 8 centimeters, and a stick. So this is the final hibiscus. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you have any suggestions or doubts, drop them in the comment section. There's another video in the screen in which we show you how to make a paper zinnia. If you want to know how to make a vase for your flower, there's another video which is on the screen which also you can watch. See you next Saturday. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, stay creative.